Hey everyone, welcome back to Route 66 Restoration. I'd like to welcome the new subscribers, and I hope you guys are finding this content useful. I try to keep it short and to the point, not a lot of rambling, and I hope you appreciate that. And it's working on this rear floor pan just before the rear seat there. And this is what I've got going on. As you've seen, I had all that tar on there. I scraped all that tar out, what was left of it, and got this chassis painted in some rust stop and also some extend rust reformer on top there below that. I did wire brush the frame. The frame's pretty good shape. I didn't figure sandblasting was quite necessary in this driver style restoration that I'm doing, but this is what I have here. You can see some of the you can see some pitting, but it's not super terrible. And so getting ready to put this floor pan patch in, and we'll show you as we go here. Well, we're starting to get the last part of the floor pan here by the back seat in place. Got it tacked in a bunch of places, and I got a Tex screw back there, hold it down. Got some plug welds up here in the front, and then going across, I got it tacked to the cross member in here, but as you can see, I misjudged where it was, so I got some holes to fill. So that's kind of the way it goes. A little bit of trial and error, but you know, filler with Miller. in the case I got it's Lincoln, you know. So anyhow, this is what we're up to, and it's going to, I think it'll be fine for my purposes. Throw a little bit of coat of paint on it and some seam sealer, should all be good. So thanks for watching, and we'll talk to you later on. This is it for this one.